how to screenshot snap without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to screenshot snap without them knowing. So in order to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing, what you'll have to do is, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. So first thing what you need to do is, when you receive a snap, make sure that it's already downloaded, or so make sure that it is completely loaded. And whenever you're offline, you can just tap on it and it can just pop up the images or the snap. So you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So let's say that you've already loaded the particular images, or you have waited for the particular snap to be loaded. Now what you have to do is, you can simply swipe down, and after that you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. At the same time, you need to enable airplane mode. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up the snap. Earlier, as you can see, I've turned off my mobile data or Wi-Fi, as well as I've enabled airplane mode. Now open up the snap and take a screenshot. Once you're done taking a screenshot, and then long press on it and then go to chat settings. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on delete chat. After that, you need to go ahead and select all of that, and once you've done that, you need to enable your flight mode. You can also log out of your Snapchat account at the same time. Once you've logged out, you can enable your Wi-Fi and then turn off your airplane mode, and then log in into your Snapchat account once again. And when you open up the chat page, you'll be able to see that there's no such thing as notified to the particular user. So in this way, you can take a screenshot on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.